If in lower position, lift the basket 2 in the horizontal position. Press the silver buttons under the metal basket 2 located at the back of the stroller and remove the tube. Thread the tube through the fabric loop on the back of the basket, making sure that the 2 silver buttons are facing downward. Reattach the tube to the housings. Secure the 2 upper basket vinyl eyelets to the 2 gray buttons on either side of the metal tube housing. Please note that the eyelets open. Secure the 2 lower basket vinyl eyelets to the 2 gray buttons on the top of the lower rear bar. Please note that the eyelets open. If this operation is not performed correctly, the basket will not properly hold the weight. Attach the basket tabs to the gray buttons on the front of the frame.